Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever struggled to find an eyeliner that stays put all day or a mascara that delivers dramatic volume without clumping? Well, you're not alone. I know how important it is to find products that not only perform but truly enhance our beauty routines. Today, I'll be diving into two products from L'Oréal Paris that promise to do just that: the Infallible Never Fail Mechanical Eyeliner and Voluminous Original Mascara. Keep watching to see if these two products really live up to the hype. Let's start with the basics. L'Oréal Paris Infallible Never Fail Mechanical Eyeliner. This pencil is designed for all-day wear with a formula that glides on easily and stays in place for up to 16 hours. It's perfect for creating both subtle and bold eye looks. The eyeliner comes in a retractable, no sharpening needed format, making it easy to apply and travel with. And if you're someone who loves versatility in your makeup routine, this could be a game changer. Moving on to the Voluminous Original Mascara, which is a crowd favorite. This mascara is known for building lashes up to 5 times their natural thickness. The formula is designed to deliver intense volume without the dreaded clumps, which is a huge win for anyone who loves dramatic lashes. The brush is also designed to evenly coat each lash, so you can expect a full, fat, thick lash look with just a few coats. Now let's talk about how these two products perform in real life. I've been using them in my routine for a few weeks, and I have to say, they're a dream team. The eyeliner glides on smoothly without tugging, and once it sets, it stays put. No smudging, even on those long days. I love how I can go from a simple cat eye to a bold wing without worrying about the eyeliner fading throughout the day. It's one of the most reliable eyeliners I've used, and the long-lasting formula is a huge plus. As for the mascara, the voluminous formula really does give my lashes that extra thickness without any clumps, which is key for a dramatic look. I've tried it both with one coat for a more natural finish and layered it up for a bolder lash effect, and it does both really well. The brush is a good size to coat all my lashes, even the smaller ones at the corners of my eyes. However, I will say that the mascara can be a bit tough to remove, so I'd recommend using an oil-based makeup remover. In terms of pros and cons, here's the rundown. Pros: both products are easy to apply, long-lasting, and deliver on their promises. The eyeliner stays put for hours, and the mascara really does build volume without clumping. Cons: if I had to nitpick, I'd say the mascara's removal could be easier, and the eyeliner pencil could benefit from a slightly more precise tip for intricate lines. So, are these products worth your money? In my opinion, yes, especially if you're looking for reliable, long-wearing products that can keep up with your busy day. At their price point, they deliver great performance without breaking the bank. If you're on a budget, these two are a fantastic investment. When it comes to alternatives, there are plenty of mascaras and eyeliners on the market, but these two stand out for their affordability and performance. There are certainly higher-end options out there, but if you're looking for something that checks all the boxes without splurging, L'Oréal Paris is a solid choice. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried the Infallible Eyeliner or Voluminous Mascara? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know how they worked for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. If you're ready to pick up these products, the link is in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.